Is she a singer or is she a vocalist?
What's the difference between the two?
Yeah, that's what I'm asking you since you have an album. I know. Senior Oats, thanks for that album. You make the seniors happy.
Yeah, senior.
Yeah, we good. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
what
a proper album.
You must stop this in case. Nice.
Yeah, what up?
You okay, man?
Oh, you know, it's coming.
Come on.
Yeah, what up?
Yeah.
Dumelang, goeiemorgen.
Sanbona.
Wat sê jy?
Koning.
Danko. Bonda. Yeah. Sida. In the corner. But it's Nazela selection is yawa.
Yeah.
It's 12 o'clock on a Saturday.
She's
good. Yeah. Welcome to the Corner Cast Buffet. Please like, share, subscribe. Ngises'Congweni.
Follow us on the socials. You can find it there. The link below.
Yeah.
So the lane buffet. Today's
Chama album reviews. Album reviews. Yeah. We at the Corner Cast we listen to music. Since everything we do is music, we listen to music. Me and Mr. P here have a very educated ear when it comes to music.
A trained ear. Yeah.
So our opinion matters. It's a matter of opinion. And our opinion matters.
Big time.
Yeah. So the big guys come to us and check what we reviewed and how we reviewed. Yeah, so we do a review. I was joking about it. We just love music, and every time there's new music out, we'll give you guys what we think about it, how we rate it, and how we listen to it, and how it makes us feel. You know, or we're kicking it out. Yeah. We rate it out of 5, so 5 being the worst and 1 being the best.
Yeah.
Number 1 is best.
Number one is best.
Yeah.
So Masuka 5 means that shit is game.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's 5 out of 5 for us.
Yeah.
No, it's 1 out of 1 for us. 1 out of 1. 1 out of 1 for us because we're the best. Yeah. So we took a listen to
few albums.
Yeah, 5 albums.
Yeah. 5 albums.
Yeah, it doesn't mean they're the worst because we said 5 is worst. No,
we
don't mean like that. Yeah.
We mean we literally listen to 5
albums. Yeah. Don't get it twisted. So Mahwoo, it's golden moments, music of gold. What is it?
Magic moments.
Magic moments. First cracker.
First checker. I'll check it out. I forgot the album, but the music is nice.
Too dope, man.
It's too nice. That chick can sing.
That chick can sing. You know, I'm gonna be honest. I haven't really heard her actually singing on her own album. Yeah. I've always heard her being featured. Yeah. But she's dope, man. She held it. She held her own.
I think it's a 6-track project. Yeah. Proper.
Yo, gents, it's called The Sound of Magic.
Yes, that's what we said.
The Sound of Magic.
Yeah.
And it is magic. It is magic. Sounds proper. She used. It's like a continuation. I compare it to clickbait.
Yes, it's true.
The sound,
yeah.
Sound that she's using that's involved. And she's nice. She's sounding nice. She's gelling nicely with the sonics.
Yeah.
Everything goes.
Yeah.
Proper.
It's a proper working piano album. And vocalist.
Yeah. She's the vocalist, a proper vocalist. Yeah. I wouldn't box and say keep piano vocalist. in anything. As a person who does music, I'll take it.
You do music.
No, I'm not saying you.
Wait, we must review
Nisho
Pontsho's
me.
album.
Ngithi
He
mina.
does what time you just said you do music.
If I was a
Oh,
person,
did
who
I
would
hear
do
wrong? I do music.
music. I didn't say that, man.
What is it called? Golden Shower. What's your album called?
Go back to church.
Yeah, but
Church goer.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Then my question is, game. Would you say it's an R&B album?
That album.
Is R&B okay? Is R&B only about singing about love? Okay, maybe I'm asking it wrong. Is she a singer or is she a vocalist?
What's the difference between the two?
Yeah, that's what I'm asking you since you have an album. Since you do music.
I'll choose. She's a singer.
She's a
Yeah, she's a singer for me because I feel she would fit in any genre.
Yeah, but the question still stands. What's the difference between a singer and a vocalist?
Hence, I ask you. I also don't know. Hey, comment now.
Yeah, and it's chilling, Buffet. What's the difference between a singer and a vocal? And this is a serious.
Martin Scorsese. Maybe you might give us something.
Yeah, but you need to tell us sonically what does a singer mean and a vocal. What's the difference sonically?
Yeah,
The difference between what?
a singer and a vocalist.
Sonically.
Yeah. If you know, I mean, not all of us have albums.
So I'll hash it. I'll say, if you are featured, you are a vocalist. If it's your album, then you are a singer because you are singing. You throughout from track 1 to track 10. It's only you singing. So,
Drop us a comment there.
Yeah, I understand
It's
about
correct.
it.
I'm not sure if it's correct, that guy.
If Biggs was correct. Yeah.
Please school us there, man.
Yeah, but yeah, no, for real, guys, it's a real question. Like, how would you differentiate between a singer and a vocalist? Yeah, because a lot of now I would differentiate it like that to say you are a singer when you are on your own album.
Yeah.
When you're featured, you're a vocalist.
Vocalist.
Yeah, but now going back to the album, Lena, I loved it, man. She even the intro, Mahwoo or something like that. It's dope, man. She has this voice that it just takes you to a trance, and you find yourself just thinking about other things, you know. She's very authentic and she's true to herself. She sings like her.
Yeah.
When you're telling about the hip hop, he's him. Yeah, he's her. Her, him. She's a pronoun.
She's a pronoun.
Yeah. She's her. No, but we can't say she's her because her is an artist. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can't say she's her.
Well, so what do we say now?
She's
she.
She's them.
Oh.
Yeah. So yeah, the album for me gets a 2 out of 5.
A 2 out of 5.
Yeah, 3 out of 5. Remember, 5 is the weakest.
Yeah, I also give it a 3.
Yeah, it's like
3 because it's nice what the piano is hitting when they're mixing all these genres and coming up with a new sound. She sings on a new sound. That sound, hence I'm comparing to the clickbait of
clickbait, yeah.
There's different sounds there, but it's piano. Yeah. But it's progressive now. Now it's nice. Now you can sit and chill. And vibe with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't have to get dirty and do those dances, you know. Save it.
Yes. It doesn't require us to dance all the time. Yeah. She gave us something soulful.
Yeah.
It's too dope. Yeah. What else did you listen to?
We listened to what's the album? Shakes and Less Funk Series.
I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. It's too. Hey, man.
It's a piano.
It's a
typical piano album.
How many tracks? 19.
No.
59.
Nah, they're not 59. I mean,
It sounded like just the one track the whole time. It just sounded like funk.
It's a typical piano song that makes people dance. Especially the number. You know what's the number 1 song now in the country?
Yeah.
What's the number one song in the country?
No, I was saying yeah, as in like yeah. I was leaving.
Yo, gents, 6 songs on the album.
Songs.
Yeah.
It's got 6 songs.
Yeah.
Who? Funk 99.
Funk series.
Album is Funk 99.
Yeah, Funk 99.
Oh, it can't be 6 songs, man.
6 songs.
When I
The
listened
biggest
to
song
it,
now in the country
maybe
is
I was
Funk
on
99.
maybe it was on repeat. It felt like 99 songs.
No. It may,
Same thing.
yeah, you
take 2. Bafaka omunye. I mean, it sounded all the same. I'm not dissing them. I'm just stating a fact. You like the album?
Yeah, I like I like a couple of songs.
Yeah.
But it's a typical piano, like the piano that makes people dance.
Yeah.
I mean, the Funk 99 with Lim Crazy,
Yeah.
it's going crazy, man. I mean, it's the reason why it's number 1 in the country. Man.
Yeah.
It makes people want to dance. People go insane when the joint drops.
Yeah.
I also listen to the Funk 100 with
What's with the funk, man? Why are they naming their tracks funky?
I think the sound is funk.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Is it another
It's another
subgenre of Mapiano?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the Funk 100 features cats from Pretoria.
Are these cats from Pretoria as well?
No. I don't know where they're from. I just they on the joint the Funk 100. It's joined the cats from Pretoria, the Focalistic, MJ.
Yes, I heard that one with Focalistic. Yes. Yeah, but the one with Pabi Cooper, isn't it like a famous kind of song? It's already the one where they have Focalistic and
Yes, no, the famous one is the Funk 99. That one is
I need
killing.
to hear
it.
this Funk 99.
By the way, gents, all the songs in the album, they're called funk. It's just funk with different numbers. So you need to know it's easy to learn.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking why the funk?
It's a
I said the
funk
funk is the
series.
style.
So it's a funk series. So that's why you heard it as if like it's the
Sounds
same
like
thing.
porn, man. It's porn. Why would you? It's a fuck. It's like Funk 99.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
it's a subgenre.
It's a subgenre under my piano, another subgenre under subgenre.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then
Maybe I need to give it a better listen.
you don't like piano. Bro.
No, I do, my man. I do.
Don't lie to the
We
public.
just gave the golden shower at 3 almost just now.
It's not golden shower.
Golden
Where do you
sound.
get the golden shower?
sound of
Sound of
Mahwoo.
magic.
Sound of magic. I was testing you. They look test
At
that dog.
golden shower.
They look
Yeah,
test.
what's you?
They look test.
We
need standard shower. They look test. You passed. Yeah.
Then did you listen to?
No. How would you rate it then?
Uh,
Out of 1.
I don't like piano. I don't like the album. Hence I said the sound is. I'll give it a 4 out of 5.
4 out of 5.
Yeah.
5 being the weakest.
Yeah, 5 being the weakest. Remember.
Yeah, I don't know, man. Maybe I need to listen to it again. For now, I'll give it a 6. Funk 6.
There's no 6, man.
Okay, I'll give it a 4. I'll give it a 4.
So Timber and Pontsho, explain your rating again.
Yeah, 5.
5 means that it's work.
Work.
Yeah. And then 1 it
is
means
the best.
It's the best.
But when you go to a hotel, a 5-star means the best. A 1-star, it means
No,
it's terrible.
we change.
So you
When
guys
you are number
are
one-
changing it.
When you're number 1, you're number 1. You're not 5-star.
Yeah. We're different, man.
Different, man. We call them
Unique.
Koning.
Yeah.
Yeah, Koning.
1 means a lot, man.
Yeah, 1. How about you the 1?
You the
It's
one.
him,
though.
Baba.
Tuana.
Hey, head of the table.
Yeah.
When you
Yeah.
walk like this,
Yeah.
you're like,
Yeah.
that's the guy.
Yeah.
The true number 1 under the sun.
Yeah, on the cherry. She's the one.
She's the one.
Or she's the 5.
She's the 5-star.
Yeah, I understand.
She's the one.
Abo pigs ohamba amahotela. We don't do hotels,
but it's Scorsese.
If masikhuleni mohlala number 1, the best.
You're the best.
Uhlale one. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, we gave it a 4 out of 5.
Yeah.
Okay.
Zulu, Big Zulu. Big Zulu. I think he went back to his authentic Zulu self. He went back to the rank.
He went back to the
like two marshal straight up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No more pass that.
Nah.
Let's go. No.
But I liked it.
You liked it?
I really loved it, man. It was.
Don't you think it's a continuation?
Yeah, inspiration.
Of
Nkabizezwe, yeah. It's a continuation. I really loved it. He just went back to his base, and I like the fact that he can switch between that Mpaqanga or Maskandi and also go back to hip hop. I don't know if he's real hip hop, but yeah, he can just anytime that he feels like it, he can switch.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
I haven't bumped the album much. I've just listened to like 2 tracks.
Yeah.
But for me, they sounded similar. Hence,
they
since
do.
I didn't go through, which is wrong, but I'm gonna go back and and just give it a.
Yeah, there's track number 2, Home Sweet Home.
Yeah.
I really like that track. It's talking about going back home. You know, like where you chose your span and then going back home and stuff like that. Emakaya. Yeah. It's really nice. There's another one that he pumped with Zagwe. I always feel like, I mean, on our last episode when we were talking about hip hop, you know, that's one nigga that I feel like it's like Marx. He's really lazy, you know. There's a lot that he could have done, Uzagwe. Yeah, in terms of him pushing out albums and I think he underrated himself. But yeah, I like the track that he did with Zagwe, and it also speaks to the fact that hip hop is also, as we were saying, it's also going on a decline because that's the only cat that he featured on the album. Yeah, he's in terms of hip hop.
Yeah.
And there more hip hop people that he could have featured because he's a hip hop artist, you know.
Yeah.
Pontsho or something, man, you know.
Nah, I think hence you said he can switch. I think he chose that sound and knowing with he wants to touch certain demographic of fans. So he's mainly based upege iKZN.
Yeah.
Or umuntu omazi who understand ulimi lwakhe.
Yeah, Makwesta can rap in Zulu though.
No, he can. Mara, the sound that he chose on the production.
Yeah.
It's different.
Stallion, I see a stallion. There's 2 tracks that I also really liked featuring Makadzi. I mean, but shout out to Makadzi. Makadzi she's really, I like her sound, man. She, you know, as you were saying, Gutuntanga was big a certain demographic. Having that, could we see Vend or Rishan, Makat, but having having that the vendor sound into it, it was really. It's 2 tracks actually that he featured. Yeah.
So on the other track is Zagwe, on the other one that's Makadzi.
Yeah, Makadzi. Yeah. Those are those 3 tracks that I like.
That are memorable.
Yeah, memorable. Yeah. So for me, I'll give it a 4. No, 2. A 2 out of 5.
I haven't listened to it properly, but from the first 2-3 tracks that I've listened to. It's the same sound for me from what he did. So, yeah, for me it's a continuation of what he did. So it would be unfair for me to judge it Mara.
But that's what we're doing. We're judging.
Yeah,
How can you be unfair of judging when we are judging? That's what we're doing, guys.
I haven't listened to the album. Can't do really, man.
B-Man is saying it would be unfair to judge. Mara, we're sitting here judging. We are judging, guys. We are judging.
Yeah. A similar sound. So
Yeah.
give him a 4 out of 5.
4 out of 5.
Yeah.
Sorry. Sorry, Mr. Redman. Q Marshall. I spoke for you, my nigga. Exactly. Then we go to the big one, man. Checo.
Might delete
Might
later.
delete late.
Might apologize later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love the project, man. I'm not gonna lie.
Proper.
Even the samples, even the
first track where
dude.
he's got is Ari. Who's that chick?
Aries.
What? Not Aries. There's a chick who's signed under his record label.
Yeah.
Got the name. Ari Lennox was that.
Yeah.
Ari Lennox.
Yeah. Ari Lennox.
Gucci Mane.
Yeah.
I don't know the next guy. The
Yeah.
other guy. Like the first joint.
Nice joint. Too dope, man.
He's showing his penmanship. And
I even love the at the end where someone is speaking on the track.
Yeah.
You know, it's just giving some voice of reasoning. I don't know if you heard that part. I love that when he does that. You know.
It's been on repeat that project.
Yeah, no, it's too
the
dope.
PI joint is the biggest joint.
Yeah, of course it is.
I mean,
man.
how can you go after those guys
Dude.
and still hold your own?
Dude.
After Absol and Daylight,
Damn, man.
even the sound, the production,
man, everything.
whoever did that beat, it's nice.
It's
You like it, man?
Oh, you know, it's a man.
Jamin.
It's yeah.
As one, but you know, my piece is really fun. This player, man.
It's yeah. But no, that joint. I mean, for me when I am not gonna let go of this, man. When I saw that snippet when he apologizes, that fucked it all up.
That's a
After
blow.
such a beautiful
That's a
project,
blow.
man.
After dropping a project like that,
Like 2 days after, even.
he dropped one on Friday.
Yeah.
The event was on Saturday.
Yeah.
So he apologized on Saturday. This guy.
Yeah. It's like inviting a chick over and then I don't know. I can't even compare it to shit. It's alright. Mama figure I'm sorry. Make me amazing. That was work, man. Nazo. Yeah, but I'm a perks. Got perks, man. I'm a perks. Yeah. So I'm gonna give it a 1 out of 1, man. 1 out of 5.
That's a 1 out of 5.
Yeah, I love it.
That's
I love it. It's the
proper
one.
album, man. That's the one.
Yeah, it's the one.
Yeah.
And I mean, when you look at the hip hop scene,
Yeah.
it takes a lot, man, for nowadays to produce something like that, man. It takes a lot. That was a proper hip hop album.
I feel he gave us a snippet of what the fall off is gonna sound like. If
Yeah.
it's gonna sound like that,
If it's gonna sound like that,
trust me.
Trust me.
It's gonna be a proper album.
Yeah.
Proper. I heard that he's on the new Metro Booming and Future album.
Mm-hmm.
We still don't trust you. That's the name of the project.
I haven't heard it. Did you
J.
hear
Cole
it?
is there.
Did you hear it?
No. Because it dropped out like yesterday. So I haven't listened to it. But when I get home, as soon as I get home, put space inside.
Yeah, with space.
I can keep my mates, you understand? Because how? About this, I know the last chiku spanner
in fact. Maybe you might.
No wonderful, no wonder so.
Maybe you might.
I'm still hurt. I'm
I
telling
was
you.
hitting. Mina simtshela ngesizulu usikhawathile dog.
Kunde lamatres. Umoya usangeni ekhaya.
Yeah, usikhawathile. But nice thingy, nice project though. Yeah,
That's
nice
a proper
project.
one.
That's a project.
Proper
Yeah.
project. Yeah.
Yeah. What's your rating on this one? Did you
1 out of 5.
1 out of 5.
1 of 1.
1 of 1.
J. Cole.
J. Cole.
You were him, boy, for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay,
5 minutes. Yeah.
You were him.
Yeah, I wish that could drop also a project, maybe 7-track project as well, Kendrick, man. Like really go out of it. Don't drop few lines in a track, man. Subliminally drop it, because you need to understand Kendrick for you to have heard Uguti was dissing. Yeah, because it was hidden between the tracks, you know. I wish you could have like just a proper album, like just go out it, niggas. Yeah, where's aggressive? Yeah, his disses are always in someone. Is always featured. Is always in some. Okay, maybe on the.
On his project, he's never.
Yeah, he's never.
He never does. Directly aim at people. He just does the music. But when you feature him, he's like, okay, he's on this nigga's track. Okay,
let me do this.
He's sharp, nigga. Let me him.
It's subliminal. Google it, subliminal.
School.
Baba.
Yeah, I want. Get the school. It's not school. Senior Oats. Ooh, I loved it. Miracles, yeah. Proper.
Yeah, I think Casper needs to listen to that album before making the decision. That's a proper gospel album. It's proper house. I love it. Mwah, it's too dope. I loved it. I must be honest. I didn't even know the cat.
You know the cat.
I didn't know the cat.
I also didn't know that these cats are too big.
Yeah. If our production team didn't point us to that direction, I wouldn't have known it. But he's Senior Oats. I know, even the name.
You expect miracles from him. Senior Oats.
And Untanga is from
We got
Limpopo.
Senior Oats on the mix.
Yeah, I googled him. He's from Limpopo. What a proper and clean album. Very nice. He was very
no skip.
Yeah.
The tracks follow each other and they're like the continuation of whatever you were listening to. The first joint goes through and through. Yeah. Proper album.
Yeah. I think it was very strategic about it. Like
it reminds me of Artworks. Artworks. They also do gospel albums. Deep house gospel albums. If you listen to the album, it's similar. It's got similar elements. They use the same thing.
Does he always do? Do you know any other project of his? Senior Oats?
Senior Oats, I've just listened to his mixes, but this is the first time listening to him where he did an album called gospel album.
Oh, okay. I thought it was on gospel all the time.
No.
Oh, okay.
But the artworks, niggas, they most
mostly
of the time they do gospel house. House, the lyrics.
Yes.
They chop like the gospel songs and they make them houses.
Yeah. I know. Senior Oats, thanks for that album. You made the seniors happy.
Yeah, seniors.
Yeah, we good. Thank you. Thank you. What a proper album.
You must stop this in case,
I wasn't dissing him. No, I mean, we're talking about gospel. Untanga is in that space, you know.
Yeah.
So I was just giving him direction.
Hip hop gospel.
Yeah. So I can't wait to hear what he's gonna drop. Casper in terms of the thingy. Not that I hate him, man. His work ethic is, I like his prop, but I just sometimes his work when he lyrically he needs some spiritual healing when it comes to that. He mustn't say he's hip hop. He must just say he's a musician. But Senior Oats, that's wrong. Last one. Oh.
Last one.
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 He's the one.
I'm not giving the one. It's him. The one.
Ah, it's him. Senior Oats.
Senior
Keep
now.
giving us. Keep giving us, man. Them blessings.
So I just have a question for you guys, ne? Those 5 albums, if you had to rate them and put them like top 5, start with number 5 and go to 1, and let's hear your thoughts.
Number 5, Big Zulu. Number 4, Shakes and Less. 3, Mahwoo. 2, Senior Old. Number 1, I've had. J. Cole. Even though you folded, nigga, still love you, man.
Yeah, don't be a folder, man. This man is a folder.
He's a folder, J Fold. You folded, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I'd give the same. Maybe I'll change my number 5 to the
Shakes
guy,
and Less. Funk series.
To the fucking guys. The fucking guys.
Funk series.
I said funk.
You said funk series, man.
Yeah,
Okay,
the funk guys, and then Gube Uzulu, the taxi master, and then Gube Mahwoo.
Okay, go Mahwoo.
Yeah, and then our Senior Oats. I mean, the only reason why not number 1 on this list is because J. Cole is J. Cole, you know.
The reason why you're not number 1 also from me
Is
because of that red nigga.
Yeah.
J. Cole,
Yeah.
the nigga from Dreamville,
Yeah.
who folded. But we still love you, dog.
Yeah. Be a file. Stop
Hey.
being a folder, man.
Hey, man, come
Keep
on.
them files.
Come on. J. Cole,
Yeah.
House Budela.
Yeah. So, guys, just give us your list on the albums that we're reviewing.
Comment.
Comment. Yeah.
Suggest. It could be completely different from
Yeah.
us. Yeah. But our opinion matters, so yours matters as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But it's number 2. Ours is number 1.
Asibongeni. Sikhoneni.
Yeah, Queen.
Banophuza, man.
Please like subscribe bafethu, follow us, comment. Yeah, it's kind of a suggestion bafethu.
Don't forget to timber. I'm Pontsho.
Yeah, sure.
Sonke la. Khoneni.
Thank you
Danko.
bafethu. Thank you to the
Okay, we
crew.
also have Martin Scorsese,
Yeah,
Mr.
sure.
Peggy.
Yeah.
How about Mr. Alu?
Yeah.
We also have the sound guy, the sound engineer, sound
Lizzo.
guru, Mr.
Danko.
Lizzo.
Sibonge bafethu.
Sibonge.
Yeah, we out.
Engadini. That's
We're in
all.
the Garden
Don't
of
forget.
Eden, yes.
Garden of Eden, dog.
Yes,
Bafuna ukushaya
Garden.
indawo zakho na indawo proper.
Yeah.